Tnat Sports and Youth Affairs ke Sarkar Jylla kelai ke Kitbok Kitrwiang ke Kynhun Ïalehkai ke table tennis, judo ke Kynhun Ïalehkai football, jong ke Jylla Meghalaya Kiban Ïashim Bynta ke Ïalehkai badminton ke National School Games ke Bandriu Punriu ke Banlong Bhopal Madhya Pradesh. Hagan ikisingi ba PB War Nongbri ula long kumukong san hakabola ai ke Kitbok Kitrwiang ki khena bikin Ïalehkai ba babani khun tinge ban wanra nam badburam ke Jylla. Kalimpong Ïalehkai ke Bandriu Punriu jong National School Games kan salong Gwalior Bhopal kaban sedang nadu ke Pratrik hadu Kharatrik Brajilio adar pulai.
We are from the department. We are trying our level best to give the best to all of you. Okay, we'll be mostly traveling by train by Rajdhani to Delhi, and I don't know from Delhi to Bhopal maybe by subway or something. Most of them, and most of you are traveling coming back to Shillong by flight. I think all of you, okay? Right. So we are trying to give the best from the department to all of you. We want the best from you. Okay. It is very important that the state in itself, need very young, promising athletes, to shine at a very young age, that you can raise your bar at different levels when you grow older.